So off camera, what I did was I dyed the wig jet black and I did bleach the knots. I did not pluck anything of the hairline because I didn't need to. It came pre-plucked to a T. Now y'all, let me tell y'all how I kind of messed up, y'all. So tell me why I left the bleach on the knots for like 8 hours. Y'all, I put the bleach on the knots and went to sleep. Y'all, I woke up, the knots was white. I almost screamed, but luckily my model, she's very fair skinned, so it worked. But if you're bleaching your knots, y'all, please make sure you watch it. Do not do it when you're sleepy and go to sleep, because that's not good. But as you can see, I'm just positioning the closure wig on her head, just making sure everything is good. And actually, y'all, I'm going to be very honest. You do not need adhesive for this install. I really could have used the combs and the adjustable straps in the back and cut that lace off, and it would have been good. Like, because it laid so flesh to the skin. So I really love Nadula for this wig. Also, if I didn't tell y'all, this wig did not shed a lot. It really did not. And that was so surprising to me, being that it was a 36-inch curly wig. But it did not. Like, Nadula did a really good job with the construction and the quality of this wig. And y'all know I tell y'all the honest truth. Of course, I'm using the Lace Melt Adhesive Maximum Strength by my girl, Beautiful Hustler. She should be having a restock, I think, by the end of the month, so look out for that. Her website is ibhslays.com, or you can find her on Instagram at thebhslay. Right now, I'm just applying my first layer of glue. I'm going to do 4 layers today as normal. You want to make sure that you smooth that glue back as thin and as evenly as possible so it can turn clear with no white spots. And once it turns clear, you can go ahead and add your next layer. Of course, you know I did all my other layers off camera. And once that 4th layer is dry and turns clear, we're going to go ahead and proceed and lay that lace down. Now we're going to go ahead and lay that lace down, and then we're going to use the teeth of our comb and our blow dryer to help push it into the skin. So we're going to tie her down for about 10 minutes and put her up on a medium heat dryer. You don't have to have a dryer, just tie it down for at least 5 to 10 minutes. And then we're going to come back when it's time to cut that lace off. It's the fact that I'm really cutting this lace off and you can't even tell I'm cutting this lace off. Like, this HG lace was so thin. The knots were small. Like, Nadula, shout out to y'all because y'all really did it. Because, let me tell y'all, so I'm a hairstylist too, besides just being a YouTuber. I deal with a lot of lace. A lot of HG lace don't have small knots. So, like, the knots be super big. So, when you part, it's like, ew. Or either like the HG lace really don't be HG lace, it be transparent. So when you get some good lace, like I be so excited because I appreciate it, you know, especially when people are spending their hard-earned money on wigs and I'm promoting for it. I appreciate when some stuff is quality, you know what I'm saying? So this is definitely quality, y'all. And make sure you check the description box for more information on how to purchase this wig, you know, possible coupon codes. Matter of fact, you can use my coupon code Jordan to get $10 off. Jordan, that's Jordan, to get $10 off any purchase on Nadula. But make sure you check the description box if you want the link to this direct wig. So now I'm doing my baby hairs. Y'all know I do so much for my baby hairs. I hot comb them first, cut them, then curl them upwards with the mini flat irons, and then I take my mousse and swoop them into place. You know, it all be worth it in the end though, because if anybody who knows or has gotten their hair did by me know I take my baby hairs real serious. So yeah, I don't play by those guys. If you see her part is real wide, y'all remember back in the beginning when I said I left the bleach on her knots for 8 hours, so you know, cut me some slack. When I style it in the end, it's gonna all come together. But y'all, yeah, I'm human. I make mistakes, y'all, for real. I hope y'all don't think I'm perfect. I make the same mistakes y'all make too as beginners. Like, trust me. A lot of times we only just showcase, you know, what we do correctly or perfection or something. But nah, your boy be fucking up too. Just being real. So don't put overly pressure on yourself because you know people only showcase the good stuff. People be out here fucking up too because you know your boy be fucking up. So you know, yeah. I mean, it just is what it is, you know. So after about 15 to 20 minutes under the dryer on high, her baby hairs are dry. So I went ahead off camera and, you know, combed them out, cut them down some, and then laid them back down with hairspray and my eyebrow spoolie. Now it's time to get into this style. As you can see, I made a middle part and then I made another part on the side of each middle part. So we're gonna have 4 sections. I just hot comb each section on both sides, spray some freeze spray, and started twisting. Now, I'm going to be honest with y'all. When you twist it the first time, it's not going to be tight. It's really just going to be like you're forming it. So, even if you do it tight on the first time, it's not going to come out perfect. So, after you do it that first time, go back in and twist it again. After that hairspray has, you know, dried a little bit from you maneuvering it. And it'll lay exactly the way you need it to. And to secure it, you're just going to use some rubber bands. And then after you finish rubber banding it, you're going to tighten the rubber band by just splitting the hair into 2 and pulling it apart and towards the base. I don't know how to explain that. Y'all know how to make y'all ponytails tighter and the rubber bands tighter. You know how you pull it. You pull the hair in 2 separate directions to make sure the ponytail tighter. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I just wanted to do some flat twists on this closure because for one, lately I just been doing middle parts, side parts, half or half downs or whatnot. I want to get back into styling the wigs like how I used to when I first started. Like, I want to show y'all that wigs are very, very versatile. And I want to show y'all that closure wigs are versatile as well because a lot of people only think you can do a middle part with a closure, and that's not true, baby. You can do hella shit with a closure. So it's like, I just want to show y'all some more versatility today and, you know, do something outside the box. So, yeah, and I hope y'all enjoy it, too. And, y'all, I sprayed some water on the hair and just ran my fingers through it really quickly. And, y'all, look at this bomb finish look. Your lace closure can be just as bomb as your lace frontal. And that's on what? That's on period. Make sure you check the description box for more information and links on this wig. Also, how to reach me on all my social media platforms. It's to book appointments. I love you guys so much. Goodbye.